Okay, so first of all, what we're looking at here is my Plesk server. I'm signed in as the admin, so I'm at the highest level. To install Google Drive, all that we do is click on extensions, go here, Drive, Google Drive Backup, and I've already installed this. Otherwise, it would have a little install button. If I just show you what that looks like. That one I do, and it's just got an install button. You click install, that's it. Plesk takes care of the rest. Having installed the extension, we then have a couple of different options for connecting it to Google Drive. The way that I've done it is, as a server admin, I've gone tools and settings, gone to my backup manager, and then we've got remote storage settings, so I can click that. I can see the different remote storage settings that are on the server and what's ready to use. So I've already set up the Google Drive Backup here. If I go back here and I'll show you the actual schedule that I've got going. You can see it's daily 3 o'clock, perform full backup weekly, and then keep everything else for 5 weeks. And I've said I want everything. And also storing both the server and Google Drive. The reason I've done that is so that if I need to restore something from a backup, I can do it pretty quick on this server. If the server goes bang, then I've got it on Google Drive, and that's probably the only time I'm going to use the Google Drive backup, is if the worst happens. So that is pretty much it. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to sign in to one of my customers' hosting packages and set up Google Drive on that for you, so that you can see how easy it is to connect our Plesk server up to Google Drive. So let's go and do that. Okay, so now I'm signed in as one of my customers, looking at one of their subscriptions. If I go to Backup Manager here, it works exactly the same, except for I haven't actually set it up. So if I go Remote Storage Settings, not configured, Google Drive Backup. Click allow. Click the link. That's it, it's set up. I'm going to change the directory that these are saved into Plesk Backups, and then click OK. From here, I can, let me show you the Plesk Backups directory so we can see it's just created this for us. If I now go, click in that G-close protection, there's nothing there. And now if I click Backup and click Google Drive, I could do both, but I'm just testing this out for you guys. Click OK. Okay, so now that one's done, we can click inside it and we can selectively restore different things inside the package. So that is using the backup manager with Google Drive. You can also schedule backups as well. I'm actually going to deactivate that, it's not meant to be activated, because I do the server-wide backup instead. Okay, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it's really nice to use, very intuitive, very quick, and so far for me it's been really reliable. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon. Bye.